How does a hot water circulation pump work? Hot water circulation pump, or pumped secondary hot water, is done via a bronze pump. The reason the pump must be made of bronze is due to the oxygenated water of which it is pumping around the system. Now, the reason these pumps and secondary hot water or hot water returns are used is for very long tap runs or hot water pipe runs from the heating source itself. So if you have a hot tap that is very, very far away from the main heating source or has to travel a long way, you would utilize a bronze pump or a heating return circuit in order to make sure that it would cut down waiting time for the hot water at the furthest tap, and hot water would pretty much come through to the taps instantaneously. And the bronze pump would help a continued circulation around that hot water circuit in order to aid that process.